Good afternoon, students. I hope the screen is visible to everyone. Good afternoon to all. Even not to response is needed, I can continue that in the sense it's audible to you. I want a feedback whether my voice is audible to you or not. Ma'am? Yes, I'm audible. Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Yeah, this response gives me pleasure to continue the content what I'm providing to you. Now it's delivered to you. Hope everyone are active and energetic to attend the 6th semester, and you are supposed to improve your career advancement at this stage. Several subjects may be provided along with one of the subject called project-centric learning, PCL. Even in 5th sem also you have completed, and recently now you completed your task, internal and external evaluation process over. In such a condition, this is my intention to motivate you and provide some contents on a professional initiative of project-centric learning under the title Social Welfare Applications Optimization with Advanced Technologies in Computer Science. One candidate is, I admit that. Okay, I hope if any comments you can post in the chat box, make little interactive, and I can also get your viewpoints on this discussion. Have a view. So myself, Dr. P. Sivaram, Assistant Professor in Department of CSE, that's specialization, under Cloud Technology and Mobile Applications is the specialization area. In this particular discussion, a preliminary induction, I want to insist you, there are plenty of applications you can create. As a computer science students, always you are focusing on applications. What is this? We are having the basic key terms in computer science, starting from data, information, instruction, program, and problem, software, application software, system software, etc. It's extending according to the specific domain or field of expertise, in which again the keywords are extending. In general, it starts from data, information, instruction, program, problem, software, application software, and system software. So in which the application software plays a vital role. Today we are focusing on the application software's optimization in this content. That's title. Once again, you go through Social Welfare Applications Optimization with Advanced Technologies in Computer Science. What is this? Already application softwares or a software are existing. What is the need of optimization? Yeah, one more candidate is enrolling. What is the need of optimizing an existing application system or application software? So day by day, the emerging technologies, the advanced technologies in computer science are increasing in such a way the application which is built with the old technology or outdated technology that can again rebuild with the emerging technologies which are available in the computer science field. So analyzing the existing system and making a subsystem with the help of new technology, what is now available, whether it's feasible, we can adapt with the existing system, we can invent a new application software for the usage, and it may have much enhanced performance in its operations. So in such a condition, I want to insist the 6th sem students, those who are involving in PCL activities, when you are allotted with one idea to be presented at the end of the semester in the form of internal and external evaluation, you are provided with much privilege to project your project with clarity. If you are finding any novelty in your application, that can be patented and that can be written with a research article. You are starting your career under this PCL as a researcher, inventor, or etc. role, or a developer of new system. And that system must be social cause. For that purpose, you are supposed to create the system. If any change in technology or slight change in technology and you are identifying some research invention in it, that might not directly have an impact with the society. So if you're planning and molding and proper application software, which can be used by common public for various applications are existing, you are benefiting your society with your knowledge. You are providing some benefits to your society. In such a consideration, we can focus on this discussion. I hope the introduction part of the first slide, it's clearly reached you. I need some chat comments, whether yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. I hope I'm energized. Now we will move to the next slide. So advanced technologies in computer science. We are having plenty. I have listed 16 here. That's artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, data science, mobile applications, that is intelligent apps, cloud technology, information security, blockchain technology, VR and AR, virtual reality and augmented reality, bioinformatics, robotic process automation, edge computing, quantum computing, 5G network, that is voice technology, that is natural language processing, serverless computing, software engineering. Day by day, the field, some of the domain I may be missed in this discussion. When you are coming across in your generalized search, you include those entities, domain, field, etc. in your mind. So day by day, the computer science and engineering is getting advancement, and its technology, each and every technology provides so much sophistication for the development of systems, development of applications. So in which I have listed 6 for this eye-opener session. So artificial intelligence, whatever you know, keep yourself. Just as for discussion, within 5 minutes, we will define all these 16 domains, that's advanced technologies. The artificial intelligence. AI is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. We are producing what you learn from the subject, it's not the matter. Now you see it's a clarity and crisp manner. This is the definition. Like human being, a machine has to perform in the environment all other tasks with its artificial intelligence. Such technology is called AI. Internet of Things, an extension of the internet and other network connections to different sensors and devices or things, affording even simple objects such as light bulbs, locks, and vents. A higher degree of computing and analytical capabilities are provided in this Internet of Things. Every sensors or devices, the units, the entity which is involved in this particular system treated as things, they are functioning with the help of internet and they are having computing capability. That's Internet of Things. The third one, data science. It is a field of study that combines domain expertise, programming skills, and knowledge of mathematics and statistics to extract meaningful insights from the data, analyzing the data, organizing the data for easy retrieval and storage and optimized storage. These are all the concepts that comes under the data science. The mobile applications and intelligent apps. These intelligent apps are applications that use historical and real-time data from user interactions and other sources to make predictions and suggestions, delivering personalized and adaptive user experiences. That's nothing but you're creating an intelligent app like AI, how in the environment the system thinks and behaves like human. In such a way, this intelligent apps also can be provides various functionalities, and you can identify those applications. You can make apps on it. Cloud technology. The cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the internet. These resources include tools and applications like data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. Information security. The state of being protected against the unauthorized use of information, especially electronic data, are the measures taken to safeguard the data. Achieve this. That particular field of study and this technology is known as information security. And blockchain technology. It is a shared, immutable. This is an evergreen. Now its transparency brings the entire financial transactions under this chain, under this technology. Any application which is now available in the market with the help of these financial transactions, now it can be brought into this particular technology. So existing applications can be think with the help of blockchain, and you can invent a new application of your own. So that facility provides, that facility is provided by this blockchain. Now have a view. Blockchain is a shared immutable ledger that facilitates the process of recording transactions and tracking assets in a business network. An asset can be tangible, that's a house or car, cash, land, or intangible as an intellectual property, patents, copyrights, branding. These are all the documents. Virtually anything of value can be tracked and traded on a blockchain network, reducing risk and cutting costs for all involved. So in depth, you are supposed to analyze up to 7 technologies we have crossed, and a glance alone we are now viewing in it. Now 8 is the virtual reality and augmented reality. Virtual reality is the technology that provides almost real and or believable experience in a synthetic or virtual way, while augmented reality enhances the real world by superimposing computer-generated information on top of it. So this is another technology. The 9th one, bioinformatics, the science of collecting and analyzing complex biological data such as genetic codes. With the help of that, what manipulation, what calculations we can perform, what outputs we can extract for the application purpose or the specific need, that technology comes under this bioinformatics. Then robotic process automation. It is a software technology that makes it easy to build, deploy, and manage software robots that emulate human actions. Edge computing. It is a distributed information technology architecture in which client data is processed at the periphery of the network as close to the originating source as possible. Okay, that's called edge computing. Quantum computing, it uses a quantum theory for its computational purpose. It is an area of computing focused on developing computer technology based on the principles of quantum theory. Then 13th one is a 5G network. It's a 5th generation mobile network. It is a new global wireless standard after 1 to 4G networks. 5G enables a new kind of network that is designed to connect virtually everyone and everything together, including machines, objects, and devices. The low latency and high performance is an advancement in this 5G network. You may have heard about this. 5G wireless technology is meant to deliver higher multi-Gbps peak data speeds, ultra-low latency, more reliability, massive network capacity, increased availability, and a more uniform user experience to more users. Higher performance and improved efficiency empower new user experiences and connects new industries. In existing wireless technology, what issues you are facing, everything will be nullified in this 5G network. When you are preparing for an application to be newly developed or an existing network can be put in the wireless technology, at that time you can take this 5G network under your subsystem development, which can be attached to the existing system, through which you can provide a new operational functionality with enhanced performance to the society. That's one more point. In all technology up to 13 we have discussed, everything can be added with the existing applications, and you can mold and you can invent, you can introduce a new application subsystem. and that subsystem can be added with the existing application system. You can produce new application to the society for usage. That's the purpose of this discussion, what we are making. And 14.1 is a natural language processing. It's a voice technology. Through computational capability of the computer, we are recognizing the audio signals and responding according to how the human reacts with its intelligence. It's a subset of artificial intelligence, even have a small definition on it. It strives to build machines that understand and respond to text or voice data and respond with text or speech of their own in much the same way humans do. So that's a voice technology based, where it can be adapted. I will give some example applications where we can use this NLP technology in our further discussion of the same session. Then 15th one is serverless computing. Serverless computing is an execution model for the cloud in which a cloud provider dynamically allocates and then charges for the user for only the compute resources and storage needed to execute a particular piece of code. This is one view or definition about the serverless computing. Now you consider as an eminent and innovative learner in the 6th semester, what is this serverless computing? Always a server is needed for getting the services for that clients what they are requesting. Some services are provided in the server through which it gets operational activities. If some services are in distributed mode, even you are in need of servers. Now the client system, even you take the mobile device or any handheld device, they are now equipped with high processing capability. Even the processors speed or the RAM and other capacity of the system in a handheld device itself, you are getting large in quantity. The processing capability is high, which is available in your handheld device itself. In such a situation, can you access the technologies and services without adapting a server? And from the client side itself, all the processing can be done without a server. If you plan, that brings your idea towards the invention. So always all the network, the system, they are equipped with server and client-based, client-server-based architecture. Now they are functioning. If you are avoiding the entire server and each and every client with its high processing capability, the network server, client-server-based computing, what happens, that can be provided within the client end itself. You are thinking, you are focusing towards the invention. So this is also possible. This serverless computing you can take in another sense. Then the last one, software engineering. It is defined as a process of analyzing user requirements and then designing, building, and testing software application which will satisfy those requirements. No much details needed for the software engineering. It's a paradigm. It provides some methods. It provides a model. It has various methodology in it how a software can be built. Okay, now again we will revisit the 16 advanced technologies in computer science and engineering, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, data science, mobile applications, cloud technology, information security, blockchain technology, virtual reality and augmented reality, bioinformatics, robotic process automation, edge computing, quantum computing, 5G network, voice technology, that is NLP, serverless computing, software engineering. These are not restricted as for the discussion I have listed, and now you will get some interest on this discussion. Again, I'm backtracking towards the title, Social Welfare Applications Optimization with Advanced Technologies in Computer Science. So what purpose we gathered and what we are dealing, that clear meaning and the focus you must have. That's the reason, again, I revisited to the first slide. So application software, as for the computer science and engineering, we are focused towards the application software. So prior to that, what is this application? What does it mean? We must make ourselves clear. Even you are in 6th semester, you are having much knowledge and expertise, and some point of view, always we will scatter. If a definition is asked under a particular key term, we may get confused. If you are provided with the audio which can give the response to me, you can unmute your mic. Can anyone define what is this term application means? Just three minutes of interrogation. Then I will go for the delivery. The application, what does it mean? It's an application software. We know, everyone know. I want the clarity. What does this application states in the application software key term? Students, are you listening? And this is just 1 minute or 2 minutes. Your response I'm expecting from your end. Adish Gowda, Ambrose. Okay, you are feeling little orthodox and you can't provide the proper definition for it. I am providing right now. The term application differs in its uniqueness. Application software. If I ask you provide some example for application software, in the sense simply you will say Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft Paint, and Microsoft application. The 6 as a general example I have given. These are all treated as application software. With the help of these examples, can anyone define what is this application mean for? It's a usage generally, we will say. So now you consider Microsoft Word is an application software. As for the application name is text editing. In manual mode, how with the paper, pen, pencil, eraser, and ink remover, a ruler, how we are creating the documents. The manual text editing operation is optimized with the help of computers with several software programs are grouped together, and the particular application task is fulfilled with the help of computer. In such a way, we can define the application software. And Microsoft Word is an application software and its application name is text editing. And Excel, you take in this Excel, it is a spreadsheet calculation is done with the help of Excel, Microsoft Excel application software. Adobe Photoshop you take, in which the photo editing application is optimized with the help of computer. So now text editing, spreadsheet calculation, photo editing, these applications are differing in this context. The particular application for which the software is developed, they are used for that application need itself. For an example, in Microsoft Word, you can edit the photos also, but not eminent like in Adobe Photoshop. In Adobe Photoshop, you can edit the text also, even you can edit the text, but not optimized like in the Microsoft Word. So this application are differing, the application software by its application specific, they are fulfilling the needs. So now you come to the slide lines of statement. The term application differs in its uniqueness. In terms of computers, the example applications are text editing, photo editing, numerical calculations, it's a calculator, presentation. As for this discussion, I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint as an application software which is used for the presentation purpose, then spreadsheet calculations, etc. These are all example application software. A set of programs grouped to perform a specific application task with the help of a computer is known as computer application software. For example, text editing, MS Word is used, photo editing, Adobe Photoshop is used, numerical calculations, we are using calculators. For presentation purpose, such what I'm doing right now in this meeting, MS PowerPoint is used, and spreadsheet calculations, we are using MS Excel, Microsoft Excel. So for a specific application, now software are available. For the generalized mode, in globalized mode, the companies are focusing on the market and financial aspect view. That's a marketing purpose and gaining their financial gain. They are focusing on certain applications. In our society, there are plenty of applications which are all in need of such computational capability with your handheld device or with your portable device like laptops or PC. We are in need to create much and more applications. The society will get benefited. The main purpose of this discussion is to bring all your attention towards the application development for the social need nearby your environment, in your locality, in your educational environment. in this institution or wherever you are belonging, there what are the problems are existing, how you can provide the application specific computational capable based a software, how you can develop. That's the purpose of this discussion. So application software, you get the meaning, what is application. Application differs. Each and every application software serves its own specific purpose through which, through the programs, collection of group or grouping the certain programs, various tasks related programs are grouped together and they are provided with the computational capability with the help of computer, and the particular application tasks are fulfilled or optimized mode you are executing. Those are called application software. Okay, see here, these are all the example. Now we saw what is this application software and what is its nature and etc. Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Adobe Photoshop we have seen. So what is this social welfare applications? As a student community, you people can focus and you can take one excellent idea in your project-centric learning based presentation. At this sem, every sem you people are equipped with this particular subject. You're supposed to provide an idea, along with you have to move its analyzation, and at final you have to implement this and test it, and finally you have to present. In such a way, remote voting system, the voting system which is manual mode, which happens, you can focus that as an idea and you can go with, consider the past 16 technologies what we had in which can be incorporated in it, and through which the complete remote operations can be possible in this with the enhanced security. So such system molding, the advanced technologies can be brought back towards this idea. So that's why it's listed under the title social welfare applications, that you might not get any awareness. This particular discussion's purpose is to open your eye regarding ideation. How you can get your idea, how you can transfer the technologies as a subsystem to the existing. So existing voting system in manual mode in India, what happens, you have to analyze, and with available advanced technologies, what can be integrated as a subsystem, how you can integrate in the existing voting system or manual mode of voting system, you can provide an inventive or innovative voting system with the help of e-voting system or remote voting system or blockchain based voting system, whatever the title you can provide, and that becomes a new one. The second idea, system and method for conducting contactless transactions. So this is based on the ATM machine transaction, system and method for conducting contactless transactions for the ATM machines. The ATM machines activity, you know, but without the touch, even you are in need of debit or credit card to start the transaction. In such a condition, with these technologies, how the existing contact-based ATM machine operations can be bring towards the contactless operation. In such a way, NLP, voice technology, can be used in this particular application molding as a subsystem, where your voice input, instead of a card and touch based operations with the machine, this NLP will assist, and computer vision based activities will identify your identity, and it will provide the authorization, etc. In such a way, you can frame this existing ATM machine operations with the available advanced technologies. You can mold and you can bring some innovative system with the help of molding subsystems of advanced technologies. Another third example, remote exam invigilation system. Due to this online mode of education, still more than 2.5 years, still we are running behind this particular operation, and such optimized system, still it's not existing. If you promote this, if you identify this, if you invent this, you'll be the pioneer in the market. So there are plenty of opportunity with the knowledge level what you are having up to now. With the help of that, you can do various social needy applications. The remote exam invigilation system, you can identify this is your domain area. If you are invented one such a system with available technology, you will be treated as a pioneer, or you are the biggest entity in the particular market. Device and method for calculating usage-based toll fee. So this is for the toll fee collection in the road environment, the four-lane, where the toll gates are available to collect the amount. Now the infrastructure-based system is available in which FASTag, now it is introduced, the less time consuming toll fee collection system is existing, in which what again you can further think over, even that infrastructure is not needed. When the vehicle reaches the road, automatically it has to identify the particular the vehicle reached the toll road. From the point of it entered in the road, it has to calculate and how much kilometers or meters it is traveling on the same road. When it comes out from the particular road, it has to identify the toll road utilization is over. So that much, how much kilometers we have traveled, it has to identify per meter or per kilometer, what's the amount to be paid to the corresponding authority. That has to be estimated through automatically through internet your transaction, e-transaction. The amount has to be deposited, or 10 or 15 days time based fees payment system, through which the entire infrastructure can be eliminated in the entire system. You can invent a new idea, even faster. More than that, it's having less time in no delay in traveling time can be achieved. This is an example idea under this system for pollution detection and environmental analysis based weather prediction. This can be used with the help of IoT based technology. System and pollution detection and environmental analysis based weather prediction. This can be molded with the help of IoT, Internet of Things. You can achieve this particular system. System and method for automated water quality monitoring and controlling in overhead water tank for household usage. In Indian government, now we are having Jal Jeevan mission. Every house is provided with sufficient water for their household usage and even for drinking purpose. And in such a context, this application is focusing on the household usage water quality. Now in this Jal Jeevan mission, water in the reservoir of every locality is stored, and from the reservoir, the water is distributed to every home. And every time the water quality in the reservoir is not validated, and household members, the users, are insisted to take the sample water to the testing center and test whether it's applicable for drinking or household usages. In such a condition, with the help of IoT, with the help of automation, electromechanical systems, we can place one chemical reservoir over the original water reservoir, and accordingly the chemicals can be inserted in the water tank that can neutralize the water's quality, that can be utilized for the household usages. These are all the social welfare thinking, what technology and your learning career you are keeping in your mind that can be useful for your local society. In such a way, you are supposed to mold such projects, and that will help you in your advancement in your skill set. So once you committed and completed such a project, that will give you the clarity, this candidates or group of members, they are capable to ideation, they are having the creative and innovative idea with them. If the idea is available, sure, they can analyze and reanalyze, and they can implement that, and they can deploy in the real environment. Such a profile validity, profile enhancement you can get in such a way of thinking, and what you are learning from this computer science and engineering course. Then system and method for location-based travel alarm. These are all the sample applications molding this location-based travel alarm. The concept is nothing. When you are in the travel, normally normal alarm 6 hours travel, in the sense you will take this particular alarm setting, Even during your travel, the train or bus, whatever, it gets some delay in the sense the time travel will be extended to 2 hours or 3 hours. In such a way, you will be intimated to wake up early. So to avoid that, location based, the GPS coordinates based, location based alarm setting you are providing, in the sense when the prior stop reaches, then alarm will ring. Your travel comfortness might not be disturbed. In such a way, the location based travel alarm and system for monthly electricity bill automation, electrical units rating, tariff fixation, and tariff collection. This is another ideation. System and method for hostel outpost management. These are all, this idea is provided by our Jain student, and now it is having a complete application which is based on Firebase database system and with a cloud system, Firebase based cloud system, and it's functioning. System and method for inter-university navigation. Each and every particular building, what to be do's and don'ts can be put in it, and the intelligent app that will intimate the user, like notice board, how we are providing information in manual, that with auto identification with its intelligence, it will intimate. And Cinevest, it's another concept. System and method for university bus navigation. You are standing in the bus stand. How many, what's time taken to reach the particular bus to your bus stop, and how many seats are available inside the bus, everything will be pre-intimated. This is now not available, and that can be brought towards your project idea, and you can work on it with the help of the available advanced technologies. The remote seating arrangements with free seat identification and reservation system. System and method for local e-commerce platform. System and method for GSM voice call speech translator in real time. So such plenty of 15 list of sample. This existing application optimization, social welfare applications optimization with the advanced technologies, just as in 15, it is listed here. In such a way, there are plenty of welfare applications are available in the society. Along with your advanced career growth, you are supposed to focus on the society needs, institutional needs, in-house and external problems, what are available in the field, what are available in the environment, that how you can make or mold an application software with the help of your computer science and engineering studies. You are supposed to focus on it. If so, the project-centric learning subject, what you are dealing, that will also get pleasant appearance, and your profile will also have enhancement in the thing. Now, application system optimization. So analyzing the existing application systems, identifying now, based on this 15 examples, what I narrated, now the points, just 7 are listed in the slide. These 7 points can be easily observable unless it can be understandable. Now you go through this, analyzing the existing application systems like remote voting system, remote invigilation system, whatever it's existing, analyzing the existing application systems. This applications systems is equal to the application software systems as far your computer science and engineering course is concerned. Second point, identifying the advanced technologies in computer science. There is no need to get the in-depth detail or clarity, just an overview and understanding capability you are having, and you can operate these technologies with the levels of code which is available in the tutorial point, or wherever you can update the methodology. Once you know how to mold and how to develop a simple application software, anything can be possible. Such confident level you are supposed to improve, get improved. For that reason, these PCL in every semester you are equipped with and you are working on it. So identifying the advanced technologies in computer science for your analyzed existing applications, Applying a subsystem based on the advanced technology or technologies with extended and optimized performance of the application system. Identifying the novelty, if any new thing what you framed in which it's existing, if you identifying the novelty in the new proposed and optimized application system, applying for patent or writing a research article on it, and bringing your innovation into the center of excellence, enhancing your confidence level towards career improvement. These such facilities are provided by the course of PCL, project centric learning. And on coming semester, you are supposed to focus on your ideation and the integrating available technologies and crisp and clear mode with the help of available faculty members, those who are supporting. With the help of them, you present it, you invent it, you file a patent, you go for a research article and enhance your career profile. Even in your educational career, you are having plenty of ideation with you, and you already have implemented. You are having the proof in the form of patent filed, or you are having the proof in the form of a research article published. This is a main motto of this induction under this project-centric learning concept, in which you focused, the complete discussion is focused towards social welfare applications, optimization with advanced technologies in computer science. I hope this is the end of the discussion I reached. So with the help of 12 slides, from the point of available advanced technologies in computer science, wherein which even you're interested or not interested, is just your enhancement in the knowledge. You have to go through it, and what's available in the latest technology, what is day by day it's emerging, everything must be updated. When you took this computer science as your studies, it's a never end. The updation is the only end. Every time you have to update on the new technology, what is emerging in the field or in the world. Then according to that, existing applications, which are all outdated technology based operations they are having, in which what this emerging tech, from the emerging technologies, which are all the technologies can be integrated in optimum way, that can be given as a subsystem, and that subsystem can be inserted in the existing system, through which a new functionality and optimized performance you can extract, and you are the inventor. So at the stage of your learning career itself, I'm inviting you all members to be an inventor, researcher. It's highly possible. Whenever your free time, you are focusing on your such ideation and thinking, through which society will also get benefit, our environment, educational institution also will get benefit, and as a learner, as an entity, as a member in this institution, you will also get benefited. So in such a way, I'm concluding this today's discussion, social welfare applications optimization with advanced technologies in computer science. This is a primary motto of this particular discussion. I hope it's easy. If any questions you want to ask, you want to get any clarifications or doubts you are having, you can interact with me. Hello.